All right, so here it is. We got some extra savings deals. The extra savings book came out yesterday. Today is December 18th, December 17th, Saturday came out. And these deals are good to December 30th. So I had to do another video on here. A lot of good deals, a lot of good overage deals here. So I want to bring them to you. And some of these deals I did again because it reset in Ibotta. But $125.41 worth of goods. It's all said and done. I had an overage moneymaker of $9.57. Some of these deals, as I mentioned, I did them before on Thursday, the first day of the sales. Check out my video. There's a link to that below. And if you're new to my channel, subscribe to my channel. You want to help me out, hit that like button. I'm trying to build my channel up. Hopefully I can keep bringing you these videos, these awesome deals. So this extra savings book, as I said, came out yesterday. Today's Sunday, and I'm we got about 10, 12 good deals here. And some I did before. So one of them I did before was the Icy Hot deal here. This is just regular price, $3.29, and it reset in Ibotta, so I had to do it again. Through $3.29, so for two of them, $6.58. No tax here in the state of Florida on healthcare items. And there is a manufacturer printable right there that gives you $1 off. So I used two of those. That took $2 off. And as I mentioned, the Ibotta rebate for $3 off reset. So that was $6 to the good. So $6.58 spent. $2 from the manufacturer printable coupon, two of them, and two $3 Ibotta rebates gave me $6 and $1.42 overage on those guys right there. And once again, I got a detailed breakdown below. So all these links, you can print all these coupons. I got links to print the coupons. Dannon Light and Fit. If you haven't gotten it yet, it's free with your PUBLIX digital coupon. Hopefully you got it clipped. As you know, my tip: clip all the PUBLIX digital coupons. Who wouldn't want more coupons, right? And clip all the Ibotta rebates. That's the way I do it. And so you'd be surprised. Some things come off that you weren't expecting. All right, you by Kotex. Did this deal again. A reset in Ibotta. Ibotta has $2 off. And there is now, they were $2.88. Now they went back up to the original price of $3.35 each. You can find these 24 count maxis. Not at every store, that's for sure. But there's also the 14 count. So if you find these, they are, as I mentioned, $3.35 each, $6.70 for two of them. No tax, as I mentioned, here in Florida on the healthcare items. And Marianne, thank you for this suggestion. There is $1.15, not $1.50, not $1.15 manufacturer printable coupon. I got the link to print that below. So I used two of those. I took $2.30 off. Ibotta has $2 off each one, so it gives me $4 to the good. And then Fetch, this time had 1,000 Fetch points. So it gave me $1, made that a 60-cent over. Last time it was $1, 1,500 maybe, $1.50 Fetch points. This one's 1,000. And also there's another one where if you spend 20, you get like another $5 off Fetch. So I'm working up to that. Once again, Crunchmasters. These came back in Ibotta as well. And they are, well, regular price are $3.99 each. And so for four of them, $15.96. However, they are BOGO this week, so for four of them, cost you $7.98. There's that manufacturer printable coupon that hopefully you guys got in your email. That takes $1 off if you didn't. There's also a PUBLIX digital coupon. One of them I had $2 off of two. Another one I had $2 off ones. So I used that. So I got four of these, as you can see, and they were BOGO, so paid $7.98. I used two of these manufacturer printable coupons that gave me $2 off. I used two of the PUBLIX digital coupons that gave me $2 more off. And then Ibotta has $1 off each bag, so 4 bags, $4 off. And Ibotta any item, 10 cents came off as well. 1,250 Fetch points when you buy two of them. As you can see, I got 4 of them here, so that gave me about equivalent to $2.50. So once again, $7.98 spent, $2 from the manufacturer printable coupons, $2 from the PUBLIX digital coupons, $4 from Ibotta, 10 cents from Ibotta, and $2.50 from Ibotta. That was a $2.62 overage. And last video on Thursday, I bought the avocado kind, which gives you like another $1 for each bag, but I had maximized that, so I just got these. All right, keep it going. The Splenda shakes. Splenda shakes, man. These are all, well, these definitely go on sale. And it's a $9.99 item, and you can get it for free. I mean, come on. It's a good deal. So $9.99 for these. So for 3 of them will cost you $29.97. So in the extra savings book, they're on sale now this till December 30th for $6.99. So for 3 of them cost $20.97, and there's a reason I got 3 of them, because Ibotta has $3 back, limit of 3. So I maximized that, and then I got $9 back. There is also a manufacturer coupon. Hopefully you still have it. It's from the Save October 2nd. And of course, another tip for you guys, save all your manufacturer coupons till they expire. So yeah, $4 off. There's also a $3 off one in another Save. So $4 manufacturer coupon. So 3 of them was $12 to the good, making that, let's see, $20.97 spent since they're on sale. $12 from that 3 of those manufacturer coupons. $9 from $3 Ibotta rebate. Made that a 3-cent overage on those. All right, Sundown zinc. Right there. Now, I love this item. This is probably the only item in the store that actually went down in price this year. So they were $5.19, now they're $4.99. I can't figure it out. Every single other item went up in the store. $4.99 for these guys. And there's also the calcium magnesium zinc is another one that's $4.99. This one is $4.99. Whatever one you want to get, you're going to get a good deal. So there is a store coupon from the Extra Savings book that takes $3 off. And there is also a Publix digital coupon that takes $2 off. So $4.99 spent, $3 from the Extra Savings bookstore coupon, $2 from the Publix digital coupon, makes that a 1-cent overage on that guy. And we're going to keep it going because we got the Nature Made Magnesium, either magnesium or the potassium. Might have been another one like zinc or something. They're $4.99. So the magnesium was $4.99, and same thing. You're going to get another almost exactly the same as $3 off any Nature Made supplement. And there is a Publix digital coupon for $2 off. Not sure if it's still there, but hopefully you've been following my channel and you've got all your digital coupons, because mine was still there. Mine was clipped. So $4.99 spent, $3 from the store coupon, $2 from the Publix digital coupon. Once again, same mirror of the Sundown 1-cent overage. All right, keep going. Nature's Bounty Kids. So the kids one. These are the gummies. In the kids section, they are $5.99, just regular price. Once again, we got a $3 off any Nature Bounties vitamins or supplements. So definitely some multivitamins there. So $5.99 for that guy, $3 right there from the store coupon. There's a $1 Publix digital coupon, not a $2 like the other ones, but a $1 Publix digital coupon. But have no fear, because Ibotta has a $1.50 back on that. And I think I got my snowman bonus of +7, but I'm not going to count that in this overage here. But so $1.50, so $5.99 spent, $3 from the store coupon, $1 from the Publix digital coupon, $1.50 from Ibotta, 49 cents only for that guy. Unfortunately, I was not working up to any combination coupon like spend 50, get 10 off. I do have a Save a Lot one that starts on December 21st. Write me a comment if you'd like one of those. It's getting tough to get it there, but I think it expires the 24th, so I'll be doing another deal here. Maria's Ranch dressing. It's another good deal here. So, you know, I didn't get much food items, as you can see, this time. But if you check out my video on Thursday, I got more kind of food items here. Maria Ranch is your regular price, $5.99. They're on sale for $4.99, $1 off. Publix digital coupon has $1 off. So it gives you $1 to get, and $2. Ibotta rebate, $2 back on the Ibotta rebate. So that gives you $1.09. I actually spent money on this haul right there. Those are $1.99 for that Maria's Ranch, the big spender on that one. I mean, obviously had an overage because of all the overages, and let's not quit there. Probably my favorite item of the year. I mean, Tena pad. I think it was couponing with. Where's the Tena pad? Here they are. So had to get some Tena pads, of course. You know, let me show you. It might get complicated here, but if you can see everything in the frame right there, we got 4 Tena pads, we got 2 Band-Aid tru-stay Band-Aids. We got 3 of the hurt-free, flexible, cushion care. These are all 212. So get 5 of those, and 2 of these, and 4 of these, and I got a deal for you here. So, okay, here we go. Are you ready? I am. Okay, Tena pads. So, for 4 of them, oh gosh, I didn't do the total on there. I believe it's $25.76 for the Tena pads. When you factor the tax, it's $5.99 times 4 plus tax of 1.75%, or it's $25.76. And then the Band-Aid, don't worry, I got the breakdown below this video. Just hit that more button and you'll see what I'm talking about. Then 2 of the Band-Aid tru-stay 60 counts are $3.19 each. So that comes to $6.38. So once again, with both those, you qualify for that Activate Rewards rebate. When you spend over $30, you get a $10 gift card mailed to you, 4 per household. So hopefully you've got a couple more, or 1 more at least in there to get your $10 Activate Reward rebate on there. All right, it gets better though. Combine that with 5 of these $2.12. All these are $2.12. The hurt-free non-stick pads, the flexible gauze. You know, I kind of got an array of them here. So we got 5 of those. So they're $2.12 each. So times 5 equals $10.60. So that total of all that stuff, the $25.76 for the Tena pads, the $6.38 for the Band-Aid tru-stay, and the $10.60 for the Band-Aid gauze, all added up to $42.74. So now let's hit them with some coupons, all right? Because we got to pay for that $42.76. So as I mentioned, since you spent $10 on these 2 things, you qualify for that spent $30 on, you're over $30, you qualify for a $10 Activate Reward rebate that will be mailed to you. So that's $10 to the good. Now, use 4 of these from the Extra Savings book. $4 off any Tena pads. Man, I wish we had manufacturer coupons, but we don't. So maybe you do. Leave a comment if you have a manufacturer coupon, maybe a $5 off of 2 I've heard of. But anyways, $4 of these $4 off Extra Savings store coupons give us $16 to the good. Then we use, I don't have the Band-Aid. It was right there. It was $2 off. Obviously, you used all mine. So it's $2 off. It's above the Tena one. And so that's $2 off. And we used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of those. So that $2 store coupon, 14, 2 times 7, $14 to the good for that coupon. There is a Publix digital coupon that takes $5 off when you spend 15 in Band-Aid. So you're over 15 with these 7 Band-Aid items here. So that took $5 off right there. So that was another $5 to the good. And then, of course, Ibotta has $5 off any $5, or has $1 on any Band-Aid product, limit of 5. So that's $5 more, $5 to the good. $5 more to the good. So once again, for these guys, $42.76 spent, $42.74 spent for that, $10 to the good from the Activate Rewards rebate, $16 to the good for that. Those 4 store coupons. $1 for the Publix combination digital coupon when you spend 15 in Band-Aid products. That's $5 to $5 more to good. And then 7 $2 store coupons is $14 more to the good. And then Ibotta, $1 Ibotta rebate times 5 is $5 more to the good, making these guys a $7.36 overage on those. So that is a big overage on that. Now, if you don't want to do the Tena pads and you just want to go for the gusto, the big money maker here, let's see what we got here. 6, 7, 8. Get 8 of these guys right here. And 8 of those right there. And for the 8 of these, they're $2.12 each. You're going to spend $16.96. use 8 of those $2 off Band-Aid store coupons. That's $16 good. You will get your $5 off of 15 Publix digital coupons. So that's $5 more to good. And you will get $5 to the good for every Band-Aid. $5. $1 Ibotta rebate times 5. $5 from Ibotta. That will make these 8 Band-Aid hurt-free gauzes a $9.06 overage. So if you want to go that route, pretty simple. Get 8 of these or combine them with some of the 8 total Band-Aid $2.12 items, and you'll have a $9.06 overage right there. So, you know, and use your overage to pay for steak. I don't know what you want. Whatever you want, overpriced steak, whatever you want to buy. In my case, I just use it to buy for other stuff and just have my moneymaker. But use it to do that. All right. So, all right. One more thing here. You're probably wondering what this bag here is. You know, I gotta get paper, you know, this time of year. So what do you think? This is a Publix bag paper. Here's my tip for 2022. Christmas is around the corner. This is your wrapping paper right here. So you peel it open, and you peel it apart, and you can wrap presents in this Publix, so you don't have to buy wrapping paper this year. I know, it does not look the prettiest, you know, present or whatever, but it will work. It will work, and you know, don't judge a book by its cover. You know what I mean? You know, it's more about the gift inside and everything like that. And of course, this is coming from someone who drove a beat up 1983 Mercedes with 600,000 miles. Just an absolute beater. And I'd be like on a date or something. I'd be like, you know, don't judge the car by the way it looks. It's what's inside that counts. And of course, I'm inside. You know, so yeah, I know what you're thinking. It gets worse inside, right? Oh gosh, bad joke. Anyways, that's it. So once again, check out my video on Thursday. I posted for gosh, I had a big heist and like a $17 overage. This one, $125 and about a $9, $10, $11 overage, depending on how you work that Band-Aid deal. So everybody, you know, please subscribe to that funny looking guy, and if you haven't, hit the like button. Check out my other paid shop videos. Everybody enjoy their holiday.